Ever wish you could connect with every subscriber at just the right moment? MailerLite's email automation does exactly that. And in this video, we're breaking down how the automation builder works, the triggers that start your workflows and the rules that control them, and how it all fits together. By the end, you'll understand the foundation of email automation, and in the next video, we'll build a complete welcome series from scratch. Let's get started. From your dashboard, click Automations in the left sidebar. Over here, you'll see any existing automations categorized into Draft and Workflow tabs. Draft automations are works in progress, while the ones in Workflows are complete and either active or inactive. Click New Automation, or if you don't have any workflow drafts, create a new automation. From here, you've got a couple of options. You can start from scratch or use a new template. Templates are pre-built workflows for common scenarios conveniently named so that you can immediately recognize what it's for, and you can filter them by category by using the dropdown. Today, we're going to start from scratch to understand how automations work in case we ever need to edit one or create our own. Name your workflow something descriptive. This helps when you're managing multiple automations later. Then, click Start Building. Like our other builders, you can build automations by dragging and dropping automation blocks onto the builder. You'll see your automation steps or blocks in these two tabs: Triggers and Rules and Actions. Triggers are events that start your automation. Let's go ahead and get familiar with them. Completes a form. This triggers for a specific form completion. This is one of our most popular triggers. It's a bit more targeted than group joining if you have multiple forms adding to the same group. Joins a group. This fires off whenever someone is added to a specific group, whether through a form, manual addition, or integration with another app. This is another of the most commonly used triggers. Joins a segment. This triggers when someone meets your segment criteria. This one's powerful for behavior-based automations. Clicks a link. This starts the automation when someone clicks any campaign link. It's perfect for interest-based sequences. Updates a field. This fires off when any custom field changes. It's useful for preference-based automations. Event anniversary triggers once a year on a date tied to each subscriber, like their birthday or sign-up anniversary. You'll need a date custom field to use this. Exact date triggers once on a specific day, month, and year tied to each subscriber, like when a free trial ends or a limited time offer expires. Unlike event anniversary, this only fires once, not every year. Below these, we have our triggers for e-commerce automations. We'll go over those separately in a video specifically covering e-commerce workflows. For now, we're going to select Joins a Group. And then once you click that, you'll want to select your group. This is going to cover most use cases from welcome series automations to lead magnets. For now, we're going to add them to our newsletter group. Notice the Add a Second Trigger box at the top. You can add up to 3 triggers for an automation on our advanced plan. When you click Add a Second Trigger, you're able to set multiple entry points into the same workflow. It's like having different doors into the same room. On the left, when you click the Settings gear, you'll see 2 checkboxes. Re-enter automation. This lets people go through again, but only once per 24 hours. This is essential for recurring campaigns, like birth dates, if you used the when a date matches trigger, etc. E-commerce tracking. This shows up if you've connected WooCommerce, Shopify, PrestaShop, BigCommerce, or any of our e-commerce integrations. It tracks revenue from automation emails. When you click the plus button, you'll get the option to drag in one of our automation blocks. Only supported steps will be available to keep your automation functioning and make it easier to build. At the top of our available steps, we have rules. Now within this rules category, the first thing that we have is the delay step. This lets you control the timing in your automation. If you don't use this step, then every step in the automation would happen at the same time. So if you had, say, 4 emails in your automation but no delay steps, your subscriber would get 4 emails all at once. Not an email marketing best practice. We're not adding a delay right now, so to remove a step, click the 3 dots in the right, and then click Delete. Below the delay step, we have the condition step. Conditions create branching logic. When we drag in the condition step, you'll see two paths appear. And before you can customize those paths, you need to set a rule for the condition step. This is telling the automation what will cause the subscriber to go down one path or the other. This could be anything for campaign activity, which is an action that they take within an email or campaign that they received. Workflow activity, which is an action that they take within this specific automation. Custom fields. Say you have a custom field like Canada that you collected at signup. You'd use this field to show them a specific email about your free shipping policy in Canada. If not, then they'd continue on with the regular welcome series. Group membership. Let's say someone joins your newsletter group. This would check if they are also in the customers group. And if yes, you could send them a thank you for your purchase style welcome. If no, they'd get the new subscriber style welcome series. Segment membership. Say you build a segment of highly engaged readers, or anyone who opened 5+ emails in the last month. You'd use this to check if they belong to that segment. If yes, you can invite them to join your VIP program, and if no, keep nurturing them with regular content until they qualify. These are all designed to facilitate targeted and engaging content to your subscribers, and to do it automatically. Let's go ahead and remove this step for now. Next, we have A/B test. Say someone joins your newsletter group. The automation will send them a welcome email, but you aren't sure which subject line would get more opens. Down path A, you could send an email with one subject line, like, "Welcome, here's your free guide," and down path B, you could send a different subject line, like, "You're in, start with this free guide." It'll split your subscribers 50-50 and track open rates so that you can see which subject line performs better over time. You can also change how many subscribers will get either option or add a third path. Let's go ahead and remove this step for now. So that's your foundation. Triggers start your automations, rules control the flow, and actions are the steps your subscribers move through. Now that you understand how the pieces work together, you're ready to build. In the next video, we'll create a fully functioning welcome series step by step, so you can see exactly how to put this into practice. I'll see you there.